All right, we had to stop and get some food for lunch. Guess where we're at? Good morning, y'all. As you can see, we are at Planet Fitness. We ate our lovely Texas Roadhouse rolls this morning. Oh yeah, so we're just at a random park. Sometimes you just gotta find somewhere to do stuff. Can't make excuses, you just gotta come out and get some work done. Wherever that is. I mean, this place is empty, so whatever. They got a nice little pavilion over there. Oh yeah, that's much better. It was bad before. It was like, it was pretty bad before. I mean, just look how wide open this place is. We got some kind of like conditioning, just sprint, jog, sprint, 100.
$70. Ridiculous, isn't it? Peanut butter.
Bread.
Alright, and here was our first look at the villages. There were just golf carts on golf carts. So many houses, so many people. Like I said, you will see a lot of golf carts here in the villages, as well as a lot of dogs. They love dogs here. Then we finally got in and settled into the house.
Think it's supposed to be crooked? Got a nice little front porch. White picket fence, standard. American dream. Let's go take you inside.
I'm gonna end up taking PT now.
Whoa! They got brought us bikes too. Don't know why. Or golf court or golf clubs. I don't know what that means. I hope it's not. It's pretty hot here, but that's pretty wild. We found an old time phone book.
Y'all are so intrigued by a phone book.
Yeah.
So
Just from Louisiana.
it's gonna be
They said they got
under
about 200
Hobart.
people. Oh,
Dancing in there. They have lectures here. These guys are learning. They're learning. Still got to sharpen mind. Ooh, all these. These are all little. All these rec parks. Shuffleboard. Freaking bocce. I played bocce on the iPad. I've never played that in real life. They got everything. Pickleball, tennis. It's like everything. We're looking at all these welcome newest villages. That's fun. Dollar Tree. Look how big. It's so large. We are at the club bar. Look at, dude, this is a shopping mall of golf carts, bro. They're freaking decked out. They got a whole parking lot. Oh my gosh. Bro, these things have seat belts. Armrest. It's good. They have a mirror right here. This is crazy. They have a whole speakers right here. Rear view mirrors. They have a turn signal. And they have a speedometer. This is absurd. This is a car. This one's insane. 2 4-seater. And I guess you could add 2 more if you want to, but this is golf. Double. We in it. No seat belts on this one. On a roundabout for golf carts. Another got a whole map system. Whole map system just for the golf carts. Whole map system on the app. Here's our extra golf cart. Nothing special, just something a little extra, but it's still decked out. It's a regular one. I mean, they got headlights, nice wheels. I mean, they got tons of cup holders. All of this. It's still a decked out golf cart and then a basic back. But I mean, they got this thing's loaded.
So he said you go up here is 70s and 80s.
This is half.
And you just kind of start, it's migrating down.
We have a cart path on the side of the road. All this undeveloped land.
See how I signal my blinker? Going to be up.
I hope we're going over the bridge. These are rock walls. We learned about this in geology. These protect soil from falling.
A legitimate bus coming up.
Where?
Oh, no, that looked like a bus. Sorry. My perception is terrible. It's a double.
Look at that, though. We're going over the bridge. No blinker.
Go in the market first.
Damn, people. Is that? Are these Cafe Du Monde original?
Try it.
Oh, chocolate! Everybody's old here.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with the tavern chicken.
Try it like if not, don't do it.
Okay.
Chicken's good in protein.
Would you like to get from the cookie case? How many? Multiple? I want that one. I want that one.
Yes.
Cheers. They're good. You know the singing karaoke that Ellen used to do?
Yeah.
Or who? What show was it?
I think it was Ellen.
Yeah, they used to carpool karaoke.
Yeah.
It was carpool karaoke. All right, good morning. We're about to head out and do a run, so it's bright and early. And we got the golf cart, so perfect. It's about a 8-minute drive, so not bad at all. At the park, or the rec field, I found a slingshot. A bunch of people playing pickleball over there. It's packed. Whole class. Let's see if I can do it without moving. I love this softball field. Like, it's a whole complex. You got fields over there. You got fields over there. Fields over there. I feel like they're gonna spontaneously just break out into song and dance like High School Musical. Like, they're literally wearing they look like them too. Houses. Looks like we're in Pasadena, California. All right, we're here at Finney Park, playing the bluegill course first. We're gonna spin. Smell to me. grass is a little thick though. Hole 3, par 3, 119 feet. You're at this whole entire like open area. We're trying to figure out what it is. It's too thick to be a putting green. I don't know. We gotta find out. Look at Finney. Oh Moss, this looks like home. So many trees. Minute ride coming up. All right, let's time lapse. Appetizer. This group is called Trip 19. Italian steakhouse. We just had some meatballs here earlier. Meatballs were they were good meatballs. If you know anything about cruises, I feel like I snuck onto a Virgin voyage. I'm by far one of the youngest. And it's just activities all the time. Okay, here we go. All right, we're here at Palmer Legends course. Out here, pretty dang nice. But it's about a 50-minute golf cart ride. So we got out here. We're about to get the tokens and hit some golf. Package acquired. At Palmer Legends course, playing what, Laurel Valley first? Laurel Valley. This is hole 1. I have played not even 1.5 holes, and this is by far the nicest course I think I've ever played in my life. I don't see any dead grass at all. I'm hitting pure, which is good. Look at all of this. I'm in a rake. All right, good morning, y'all. It is now, well, it's actually afternoon. It's 12:30. We took a pretty slow morning, didn't do too much. Just woke up and kind of sat around, ate some breakfast. But now we are going to Edna's on the Grill. And Edna's on the Green. I'm thinking of the other one. Edna's on the Green. Edna's on the Green, next to a golf course. And yeah, we're just gonna eat, and maybe pitch and putt after that, whatever.
Edna's on the green, and they're dancing. It's a bunch of picnics on the green.
This place is literally on the green.
You got all the people, and this is literally the golf course. That's one of the holes. We're dancing, line dancing.
We're back at the gym. It's a decent ways away from where we're staying, so I gotta do it. But we just finished the run. Ooh, look at the dogs. Dogs everywhere.
We are here at Lighthouse Point Bar and Grill. Look at these views.
Okay, first off, thanks for coming outside.
Well, we ended up ordering a jambalaya cup to see
It's got tomatoes
what it
in
looked like, so here it is.
Oh my god, it's got tomatoes in it.
It's a little soupy to begin with. Kind of like gumbo, to be honest.
First of all, you can see the grease on it. There's okra in it too. Let me put that in there. It has a very
What a jambalaya.
Oh my gosh, look at that puddle.
That's not
that's zucchini.
Is that
Do you see
zucchini?
do you see the skin?
We also found carrots in it.
Well, at least they did something right.
We are done eating, and now we're just kind of walking on the pier area. Look at the sun. Just amazing views and water. Really quiet and calm. This is the Lake Sumter Square. They got an actual old cinema with the words and stuff. Each square has a square, and then all these shoot off strips that are incredibly long. They have about 4 or 5, every other direction or whatever. It's like a ball. Huge.
Peterbrook Chocolatier. Look at all this chocolate.
It smells like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory in here.
They have ties. They have little mini golf club sets, golf balls, and then a golf club. Amen, brother. Jesus saves. See Dubai bars.
Have like all this stuff inside. Watch. It's like
That's what she said.
Is this a vehicle? Is that a golf cart or a vehicle?
It's got a windshield wiper on it.
No, cool carts.
Look at this one right next to it. Holy crap. That one look, I think this might be an actual car.
Here, it's got light. It's a smart car.
That's a car. It's an actual car, it has a license plate. But you can't tell the difference between that.
It's a smart car.
I mean, nothing.
Dude, they have a Johnny Rockets here.
I thought that was only available on cruises. That's the main square with all the music, you can kind of hear it. And it just, everywhere. There's people everywhere. Where the dog at?
Oh my gosh.
Dude, is that a
miss
Morkie?
our
Is that a
dog
Morkie?
so much.
It is a Morkie.
We have a Morkie.
Josie!
Are you guys sweetie?
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Just like drones.
They got people over there with those trampoline booths. Museum. This is Hacksaw Ham. They're pretty good so far. They played some bangers. We just finished with the square. Walking back to the golf cart. This one's really nice. This is one of the older ones. I think it's the second built square, and it's nicer. They got more people. That band was really good. Hacksaw Hamlin. I'll be on the lookout for them.
Cute little bag from Peterbrook. From Peterbrook Chocolate. Hello, bears.
Got done with the workout, so we're at the field now. It's about 8 o'clock, and we actually have some people here today. They're playing some soccer. It's kind of cool, not gonna lie. I think it's a coach out there. Change of direction today, so not too far of a distance. How much space is needed anyway, so I'll be good there. But they got a lot of activity. They got baseball. Everybody's playing baseball. They got a couple teams. I see people in jerseys. They're practicing right now. And then they got a bunch of pickleball going on. A lot of people out today. I'm hopping over to the softball complex because they got a couple games going on. And did you just hit a bomb? That guy just hit a home run. Hey, buddy. Look at the field. This one's definitely men's over here. Oh, he just hit a... Oh. Home run. The men's side. And they got women playing over here. I think they have announcers too. Uniforms, everything. We are back at Finney, as you can tell, with them. I think those are oak trees. Are that oak trees? I don't know, but a lot of moss. And up to the pool. The family pool. They got the Finney grill right here. These flowers. We walked that nature trail over there. Now we got our chicken. It's a lot of tenders. It's a little toasty. House. We have arrived at Brownwood Paddock Square, and we had to park all the way in the back somewhere. This place is absolutely packed. Placked. I think they're playing one of the bands called Relic, and apparently they're splitting up. So
This is like one of their.
it's one of their last things.
Big shows.
Yeah, it's one of their last big shows. I think the last one is next week. We're not gonna be here, but the show doesn't start till like 7, and it's 45 minutes early, and they're standing room only. So.
No, we're late.
Look at all the people. This is the backside. That's behind the band. All right, we're here at Harvest. So not what I expected out of a place called Harvest, but I got the burger, of course. What'd you get?
A fig and prosciutto salad.
Fig. We're gonna devour this. Looks all right. The fries are incredible. Get some cookies and cream. Show them what you got.
Lemon sorbet. Yeah.
Cookies and cream, of course. All right, we're at Lowlands Executive Course. It's a 9-hole course, but we got some dudes with that. We're getting out here. This is the first hole. It's kind of like a par 3 one. Most of the executive courses here are 9 holes, mostly par 3s. I finished 5 over. Dude, the burger at Edna's was incredible. Ugh. All right, we're here at Spanish Springs, and this definitely feels Spanishy. This is the first village square that was made, so it's definitely older. It's got I mean, that literally looks like we're in Mexico. That's crazy. Here's Harold S. Schwartz, the founding guy. Well, it's 6 o'clock. It's not crazy packed because I think it's supposed to storm, and I don't know, it might be Louisiana, and as we can kind of sense some rain coming. This lady just brought out this squeaky cheese, brought some cheese, and she lit all of this on fire, and it exploded. And it's like still bubbling. Looks pretty good. Ooh, it was an interesting experience. They brought out, well, I asked for medium rare, which is, I learned my lesson. It's something you don't do at a place that doesn't sell steaks. If they sell steaks, you can ask for medium rare burger, but if not, Killins, another chocolate place. Every chocolate thing you can think of. No cake balls though. A cart with Ireland flags. Irish. Oh yeah. Truck bed. Looks like a truck bed, isn't it? Look at that. This is Seabreeze Recreation Center. It's so like beachy. Look at all the beach vibes. Umbrellas. So beachy here. Fish chairs. Palm trees. Check out the bathrooms. They got boys and guz. We're at Brownwood Paddock again. Bluestone Circle performing tonight. They're pretty live. This is their first couple of songs. I think they're new. They're fairly new, but they got it going. that was fun, but now it's 9 o'clock on the dot and everybody's leaving. It's bedtime. We locked ourselves out. Forgot to grab the key. I had to stop at another Broken Egg to get some breakfast. I got French toast and then eggs. They're really yellow eggs. I'm a little late on it, but we just ate City Fire. I got the meat lovers pizza and it was good. They just had so much cheese on it, but it was pretty good. Finished it all. A lot of senses, a lot of tastes and flavors in it. Had Alfredo sauce as its base. And this is our 3rd time at Lake Sumter. There's the lava cake. It's windy out here. Look at that storm cloud coming. Might be another short night out here. Wow, what a beautiful sky. Uh-oh.
And here we are coming up on one of the newest and most exciting developments in all of the villages in the southeast quadrant, fittingly named Eastport. This is the new town square that will be coming up in late 2025, possibly early 2026. And this place has everything that we loved about the other town squares. And of course, new additions, new technology, a brand new population moving out here slowly. Here's one of the recreation centers right in the middle of the town. There are a few neighborhoods starting to pop up in Eastport. A couple people sprawling out here in small waves. And these houses are incredible. Some of these houses are very similar, but a lot of them are also very unique. And you could just pick and choose. This will be the place to live coming in the next few years. Here's one of the golf cart malls where you can pick anything your heart desires. And just look at all this land primed for development. Thousands of houses are going to be developed out here, multiple golf courses, and this place is just going to be massive.
Okay, we're at Sawgrass Grove. I think it's Johnny Wild and the Delights perform. They're like a 50s and 60s cover band, and they do really good. They're really good. Well, it's 9:05, and that wraps it up. Everybody's out. That's the end of the trip, pretty much. We got about a 9-hour drive ahead of us, so leaving early,